ガソリン、かつ空気圧も減ってるんだよな。入れなきゃいけないんで。
やばいぐらい。
この間のイベントで見ためっちゃかっこいいスバルがあったって覚えてる？ワインコーニーの。
もちろん。
その子もね、近くに住んでるんで、こっちで一緒に走ることになってる、向こうのイベントに。どう？フェラーリ、アコスタ、スバル。いいよな。オールマイティだよね。ガソリン入れましょう。かっけー。いいね。スイート。皆さん覚えてますか？昨日のテキサススバル。かっけーよな。バギンワゴン。いいね。Morning, dude.
Morning.
Thanks for meeting up with us today.
Of course.
Oh, and dude, what's your doggy's name?
Cade?
Hi, Cade. Hi, Cade. You're so cute. Nice, man. Well, we're gonna gas up. We brought out a little interesting mix this morning, huh?
Oh yeah.
Subi, Ferrari, Skyline. Can't beat that. And a corgi on top. Nice.
おー、カメラ見てびっくりしたね、ケイド君。ね、年は1年のコーギーですね。ケイドと言います。すごい可愛い。
このイベントに来たんですごく楽しいんだよね。いい人ばっかりで、本当にもういろんな車のジャンルはもういっぱいあるからこそ楽しいんだよな。で、 今日お会いできた、昨日かな最初お会いした方がこのジャスティンって言うんだけど、このスバルはめちゃくちゃかっこいいと思って声かけさせてもらって、で今日一緒に走ってもらいました。Justin, it's so nice to meet you first of all, man.
It's so nice to meet you
And
yesterday.
I appreciate you driving, and man, your car is cool. It's cool. I like the color. I like the over fenders. I like how you put them on with the screws. The big rims, the deep rims. Just a lot of stuff about your car is really cool, man. I thought a lot of Japanese people who watch my channel would probably think your car is cool too.
No, I appreciate it. It's been a big project. I've had it almost coming up on 4 years now. It was like the last car I had through high school. I had actually with my previous one, so this is what replaced it. I bought it basically completely stock and just kind of started piecing it together. This here, that there. The interior I did a while ago. I originally, like I said, I designed it kind of as a show car. I wanted it to be super nice and fancy, but then I decided to do kind of more what I wanted, exactly what I wanted, so I could enjoy it every day.
And I think that's great, man. You drive this car every day, right?
I drive it every
daily
single day. I've put almost 80,000 miles on it since I bought it.
Why a Japanese car? Why this car? Why a Suzuki?
I had a BMW before, and I wanted to just kind of branch out and do something different. My dad's always been classic cars. He loves classic muscle cars. That's what he's got.
You grew up around that.
I grew up around that. I grew up around
like this guy.
I grew up around a '72 Mustang was the first car he brought home, and like a '71 Olds and stuff. He's got a couple of classics still, so I wanted to do something different. And for me, like personally, it's kind of like the culture behind it, the people and stuff. For me, it's always been like super cool. And I just kind of wanted to build a car around that whole area.
That's all, and you're into some.
I love drifting, all that sort of stuff.
Do you like animation?
A bit. I used to dabble in it a bit. I've been kind of.
What was your favorite anime?
I watched a bit of Sword Art, like of course, like kind of like more mainstream stuff.
No Initial D, nothing like that.
Of course, Initial D. Initial D.
Except me.
A bit younger.
See you, Richard. Thumbs up, man. See you, Richard. Thank you. Have a good day. See you, man.
Yeah, a buddy of mine that was into like Japanese cars showed me Initial D, and I watched it and stuff, and I appreciated how good it was.
That's awesome, man.
No, so it's been a lot of fun.
I'm honored to be here. I'm so happy. You know, you're my first shoot. This is the first car I said, yes, I want to shoot this car. So
I appreciate you stopping me. So that made my whole day. You reaching out and doing.
It's all about this, bro. It's all about that. Being positive,
super,
having good vibes, and just being part of the community. You know what? Your car, you drive it every single day. It's not perfect. You kept telling me that, and I said it is perfect, man, because it's yours. It's your style. You love it. It's perfect. And I, you know what? Caught my eye real quick. Come here. What's his name again?
This is Cade.
Hi, Cade.
My corgi. I got him a little over 6 months ago.
Cade, look, say hi. He's a good boy. Cars and dogs and good people, man.
He's my little passenger.
And thumbs up always.
Everywhere.
Thanks, bro. Such
I appreciate you.
Thanks.
So
Let's go get some breakfast, huh?
Yeah.
Right on. What's up, guys? Yeah! Sound good! What's up?今朝ごはん食べました。すごい美味しかったです。今日の朝はサンユーカフェというところに来ましたね。あーちゃんが調べてくれて、なかなか美味しかったんですね。そしてフェラーリ、アコスカ、ジャスティン、キム、あっちゃんがいるんで Thanks for breakfast, Kim. Breakfast was on Kim this morning, thank you. Next time's on me. I'm honored we got to hang out. Justin, you got an awesome car right there. I'm glad we became friends. And I look forward to doing this again with all you guys soon. Until next time, you know what it's about. Thumbs up, guys.